What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the video. What's up, family? So for this pea salad recipe, you're going to need about 45 ounces of peas, 1 dozen of eggs, 2 large onions or 3 medium onions, Miracle Whip or Hellmann's mayonnaise or real mayonnaise, black pepper and cayenne pepper. If you guys hate peas, you will for sure love pea salad. And without further ado, let's get to creating it, family. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do in our stainless steel mixing bowl is add in our 45 ounces of peas. Next, we're going to cut up our eggs and we're going to add in a dozen of our eggs next. Okay, now we're going to add in our diced up onions. I love my onions. And this is optional, but you're going to add about 2 cups of shredded cheese. Now you're going to add in our Miracle Whip and our Hellmann's mayonnaise, and we're going to try to have equal parts. Okay. This is going to be beautiful. And before we mix this in, quick facts. What are the health benefits of peas? Fiber and protein. Peas are free from cholesterol and low in fat and sodium. They feed your brain and your muscles. Each cup has 8.5 grams of protein, which is twice as much as a protein in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to mix this in real well. And there are many recipes you can use for this. Instead of using another canister of mayonnaise, you can use cream cheese or sour cream. Okay, next, we're going to go ahead and add in our black pepper. And we're going to season this to taste. Our cayenne pepper. And you guys know it, we're going to mix this in real well. And that's it to this pea salad. Now for this particular recipe, you do want to use a lot of onions and eggs. Give me a like. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this out. Immaculate. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.